Say hey, bud.
Let's go back in.
Let's go back in. Let's look at your strawberries first. So look, this little strawberry patch has a strawberry on it. You want to pick that one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Let me not. Possibly down.
No, come get this one.
Right, not down.
You don't need that shovel to knock it down. Come over here.
Try not down this one.
We got 3 strawberry plants on this side. That one has a strawberry that he could eat, but he's not getting to it very quickly. This one has some blooms. But over on this side, we got tons of strawberries. We also have weeds. But we got strawberries over here. See, there's a strawberry. Should we get that one? I'm afraid if we don't get it today, it won't be here tomorrow. This one's down in the dirt. See, something ate this one before it could finish going. Let's see. Is there anything under there? See, something ate that one. That bug right there. Got that one. We planted these strawberries last year, and they all came back up. Look how happy they are. There was only 3 little plants last year, wasn't it, Mason? But this year we got strawberries. Look. This one's good on this side, but not on the back side. Does anybody know how to grow strawberries? Look at all these. Look. Look at those strawberries. Look at those strawberries. Oh, something ate that one. Do you want this one, Mace? Yeah. You can eat that one.
I'm gonna take this off.
Take those leaves off, bud. Is it good?
I lost weight.
Look, this one, I think it's just gonna not be good if we don't get it. Here, you want this one too? It's not good on that side, but eat that red side. I think they make some holder-uppers that we could put on them when they start blooming. We probably missed it this season, but it would keep them off the dirt. I saw some on Amazon last night.
It's good.
It's good? Just eat the red side. Don't eat the other side. We got a ton of strawberries here. We just don't have, like, they're not done. They're not really good and done. This is a big one right here. You see that one? But it's not done. All right, well, I guess that's it from the strawberry patch today.
I want to eat this one.
All right, pull it off there. This is going to be gorgeous, though. I want y'all to know that I'm going to check back in with you in a month or so, maybe 2 or so months. And this is going to be covered in green beans and cucumbers and mini pumpkins, and it's going to be gorgeous. But as of today, we're coming to you live from the strawberry patch with 6 strawberries. But it's okay. We're out here, we're having fun, and we're enjoying it. Right, Mason? Y'all have a great day.